Hello, little yogis. Ready to get super flexible? Today, we're going to do some fun poses to stretch your body. Let's get started. Roll out your mats and take a deep breath. First, let's do the butterfly stretch. Sit down, bring your feet together, and flap your knees like wings. Stay steady and feel the stretch. Great job! Now lie on your belly and lift your chest up like a strong cobra. Keep your neck relaxed and breathe. Now, stand up tall. Balance on one leg and reach your arms up to the sky. Focus on one spot to help you stay steady. Let's bend forward. Try to touch your toes without bending your knees. Let your head hang loose and relax. Finally, sit on your heels and rest your forehead on the floor. Calm your mind and relax your whole body. Awesome job today, yogis! You're getting stronger and more flexible every day. See you in the next session. Bye-bye. Take care.